Today we are going to study about Google Forms and how to answer those questions. How to answer Google Form. Let's go to a example of a Google Form. Here's an example. It's based on electrolysis. Okay. Now here we'll go the first option, the email address. Now the email address is required, which means you have to enter your email address. Your teacher is asking your email address in order to give you grades. So don't worry, just put your email address and I will just give an example. Um, oh, sorry, let me change that. Okay. Now your name. And now this email address option, you can see that there is a small red star on top. What does that red star mean? The red star means that that option is required. So on any of these questions, you might find such a star. That means that question is required. Your teacher has required you to answer it. You cannot submit the form without answering that particular question. Now name. And that's my name, Christiana, my name. And now we go to the now electrolysis. It's a video. The, your teacher has given a video here. Now it says here refer your textbook and watch this video before answering the question. So you must watch this video first. Your teacher has told you to do so. So watch it. You just have to click it here and it will come. But if you want to go to the main YouTube and watch it in a big screen, then you can just click the YouTube icon here. Not all, not all Google Forms have videos, but this one does. Now find out whether electricity is conducted through any substance in liquid state. Now the question is written here. The questions are in the next option. Let's go to the next option. Materials. You have to answer it. You have to click here and answer. You start typing. Now this particular question gives you 2 points. So if you answer this question correctly, then your teacher will give you 2 points. Now let's answer this question. Let's go. And I've answered the first question. Okay, so I'm going back to check if I answered it correctly. This is here small mistake. Let me erase that. Okay. Yes, I answered it correctly. Now, step 1, the second question. This question also gives you 2 points. So if you answer this question correctly, you get another 2 points. Now, after you type in your answer, go back and read it again to check if your answer is correct. You're using using your keyboard. You can do that. Now, yes, this is correct. Now we go to question 2. Sorry, step 2 of the question. Step 2. Okay, now step 2. Let me type it. I'm writing the question. Sorry, I'm filling the answer to the question. Oh, sorry. Okay, I filled in the wrong place. Let me type again. Okay. Now I have filled in the correct place. Now after you write your answer, go back and check if your answer is correct. Okay, I'm doing it now. Checking if my answer is correct. Yes, it's correct. Now step 3. This question also gives you 2 points. This question 2 gives you 2 points. So now it's 4 points. If you answer all these correctly, then you'll be getting 4, 5, 6 points. Try to answer as many questions as you can. But the most important question that you answer are the questions with this small star. Luckily, in this example, there are no such questions. Okay, now step 3, the question. Let's answer it. Now I'm going back to see my answer to check if my answer is correct. If my answer is correct, now we have finished answering the A questions. Now we're going to B. Question B. It is seen here that the ammeter deflects only when some liquids and solutions are used. Salt solution, copper sulfate solution, acidified water, kerosene water. Separate the above mentioned liquids and solutions into liquids. One liquid solution causing deflection in the ammeter. Now this is one of the question. Here this is part 1 of the B question. This is part 2 of the B question. Okay, now let me fill this as well. Let me answer this. Fourth question. Now I finished answering this. Okay, let's see. How many points does this question give? Oh, it gives 5 points. So if you answer this question correctly, then you get 5 points. This question 1 of question B gives you 5 points, and question 2 of question B gives you another 5 points. So question B is totally 10 points. Liquid solution not causing deflection in the ammeter. Kerosene distilled water. Now I'm not going to answer all the questions in this, but if you have a form, your teacher sent you a Google form, maybe through Gmail or through WhatsApp, but you have to no matter whatever way, you have to answer all the questions because you get more points then, like an examination. It's an online examination. So now I'm going to submit it. First, before submitting, make sure that your email address is there and your name is also there so that your teacher knows who has done the work. And make sure that you have answered all the required questions and then click submit and then click submit. So you'll be getting something like this that says thank you. Your teacher typed a response to you already and kept. So it says thank you. So that, and also if you feel that you have done something wrong in your question, then you can press submit another response. By clicking submit another response, you can type another sheet. If you feel that your first sheet is wrong, then type another sheet. Don't forget your email address and your name, and then press submit again. That easy. Thank you.